Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to compare the Birchbox and the Ipsy box. They're both makeup subscription boxes and I want to see which one is worth the price. So the Birchbox actually comes in an actual packaging. It sounds like there's no bag or anything inside. It's just you open the box and there's your products. And then the Ipsy bag actually comes in a pink envelope. But from online, it does look like the Ipsy subscription service, you do get a makeup bag with it. So I'm very excited to compare the two boxes, so let's get started. So both subscription services are $10 a month, free shipping, and you both get 5 products each. I know with Birchbox, when I signed up, I did get a free MAC lipstick, and then with the Ipsy boxes, I don't think they had a promotion going on, or I didn't see one. But I will say that Birchbox did come in sooner than Ipsy, so they have a sooner ship date. They're both the January box. Okay. So with the Birchbox, it is very simple packaging. As you can see, it just says Birchbox right here. I do like how, you probably can't see it, but it says the Fierce Peyton McLean, so that's a good little touch there. So let's go and open it. So with both subscription boxes, you do take a little mini quiz to see what products will fit you, your personality. They ask you what your hair color is, your eye color, your skin tone, I guess just so they can match products that will complement it. So Birchbox isn't just makeup. They do provide hair care and skin care. Okay, so we're going to open up our Birchbox, and this is how it comes. Oh, that's pretty. So there is a little box in there. It's a very pretty print. So we can take that out. Oh God, I don't want to spoil the surprise. Okay. So it comes in this little box. So we're going to take the lid off. Okay. So it comes with a little note that says Hello 2019. It pretty much has a message on here. You can update your profile as you have more needs. You can pick a sample each month. I think you can actually pick one sample for you to actually know what's coming. There's not going to be a random one in there. And then you get 10% back in points with the loyalty program if you sign up. And then you can actually, if you don't want any surprises, you can review your samples. And then the back of the Birchbox card has everything you got. So we're just going to get started. Let's see, let me try to find the first thing they have. Yeah, so we have this is full size. Okay, so this retails for $16. This is the Beautinique Beauty Blush Serum. The lightweight water-based blush gives your cheeks a healthy flush by nourishing, oh my god, healthy flush while nourishing your skin with apricot seed and vitamin E oil. So this is probably just a liquid blush that you can use after you put on your concealer. Before you set your makeup, you can put on this liquid blush and pat it in and then set your face and then do your bronzers and highlighters and everything like that. So that's very nice. And then we have the Ico London full size. This retails for $20. This is a brow liner in medium. So hopefully that matches us. I will do swatches of the makeup that you can do swatches on, so I'll do that for you. It says this waterproof brow liner fills in sparse spots and defines each hair to make arches appear naturally fuller. Applies short strokes from the start of your brow and move outward. So this seems really cool. I've never used a liner before. I've only used powder or pencil or gels. This is going to be very cool. It says it shapes and defines, so we'll swatch that to make sure that's a good color. And then we have MAC Cosmetics and Extreme Dimension 3D Black Lash Mascara. So this is actually a mascara. It's really nice because it's like looks like a little tube, but it's really hard, so you can't squeeze anything. This is full size, $24. Want lashes that are dimensional as you are? Swipe on the clump-free carbon black mascara that lengthens, conditions, and defines every lash. So we'll see about that, see how that goes. We have the Marcel New Age Precision 8-in-1 Power Serum. This is full size, $37. This lightweight peptide pat gel starts to work in just 1 week. Fills in fine lines, lifts and firms, all while boosting radiance and improving skin texture. So with this, it says apply morning and night alone or under makeup. So this should be a really good serum. I actually might use this after I've cleansed and toned my face as kind of like a moisturizer for before I go to bed. And then we have the TLW Let's Get Naked Frizz Fighter, full size, $20. So you smooth out frizz, hydrate, protect your hair with this paraben-free, keratin-infused hair serum. Apply a few pumps to mid-lengths and ends, then style as usual. So this will be very nice. It says use before your blow dry to create a breathable protective barrier against heat. Use frequently to help retain natural sheen and strength. Fights frizzy hair by sealing the ends. So this would be very nice right after I go to the shower, before I blow dry or straighten my hair if I air dry, to kind of just put on the ends and make sure it makes it look more healthy and less frizz. I do have frizzy hair naturally. It's frizzy curly hair, so this will work well. So far with the Birchbox, you do get brands that you've almost never heard of, and then you get, a MAC cosmetic brand. So that's very nice. So it kind of give you like a broad spectrum of different beauty brands, and if you like the product, then it does give you the price of the full size item. So that's nice. So I'm going to go ahead and see about this brow liner. So is it okay? So it's just like a marker. So that's very nice. And then we're just gonna. Okay, so first impressions, it's very liquidy. I thought it would be like kind of like a permanent marker, but it is very liquidy. The color is more brown green color, so we'll see. Next time I do my makeup, I'll use this, and then I'll kind of see how it works. But it's more liquidy than I thought it would be, so that's very interesting. And then I'm gonna see about this blush serum. I just want to see what the color is. If I can get it open. It does have a plastic over it. This is a very cool concept because I've never heard of a liquid blush called a serum. Just because, like I said, it's supposed to. It has like vitamin E oil and stuff, so it's supposed to, be healthy for you. So let's look at the color. Okay, so the color is very opaque. So we're just gonna. So as you can see, a little goes a long way. So I feel like you would just literally use not even like less than half than that to put this on your face. So that's very opaque. Okay, so now that we've done the Birchbox opening, so now let's do the Ipsy opening, and then we'll compare the products. Okay, this is going to be much more easy to open than the Birchbox, so that'll be nice. Okay, so like I said, Ipsy does come with a makeup bag. Honestly, I'd rather it come in just a box that I can just throw away, just because I feel like every girl has like 20,000 of these little bags and we never use them. But I mean, it is nice packaging, so that's always nice. Okay, so Ipsy does come with a little card like the other ones. This one doesn't have any brands on it. It just has like 5 new features. It just tells you more about Ipsy and that you can personalize your pics, and you can shows brands that are coming soon, and it has tips and techniques. I think they do little videos on their website. So I mean, it's just like a little card that comes in there. And then so it doesn't come with a little what comes in the bag. It doesn't have a card like that, or what the product's supposed to do, or the prices of the full size. So I really do like that about the Birchbox. But I feel like it might be products that you can find out what they do. So the first product is actually, oh, it's a nail color. Okay. Ooh, so this is sparkly navy blue color in Williamsburg. So it has a nail polish, navy blue color. That's awesome, cool. And then, let me have, wait, I only got 4 products. Okay, maybe they do like a price thing, I don't know, we'll see. Okay, so the second product is, oh my gosh, Belle and Argent lip gloss. It's a lip gloss. Okay, so we'll see. It's in Bored Now. So it's this gold color lip gloss. So it looks like just like a gold color lip gloss you can wear over lip colors. So that's nice, different. And then we have Skin Balancing Mask. That's awesome. It's gold fat and MD. It says use on cleared skin, apply a thin layer to face and neck, leave on for 10 minutes. You may feel a slight tingle, then rinse thoroughly. For best results, use once or twice a week. And then it's supposed to revitalize and balance, leaving skin feeling soft, looking smooth, and appearing healthy. So that'd be a cool mask to use. And then we have the Tarte Amazoning in Clay 12-hour full coverage foundation. They sent me mine in the color Fair, so that's good. And then, so it's a little sample of that. How many ounces? It has 0.24 ounces, so about a fourth smaller than what you would full size probably. But that's a nice, I mean, you can use the foundation, and if you like it, then you can go buy the full size. So, to compare both the boxes, or subscription boxes, I don't know, Ipsy did say it's 5 products for $10, so I don't know if you get 4 products and the bag is the 5th product, which is that's kind of a downgrade to me, just because I like the Birchbox where you actually get 5 products. I will say, these are more products that, just this bag, I mean, I'm sure there's more bags that are better, but just in this bag, I mean, the only thing I'm looking forward to is the Amazoning Clay foundation. I have tried this foundation before and I do love it, so I'm happy to reuse it again. And then the nail polish is nice because it is a full-size nail polish. It's not just a tester. So honestly, in my opinion, I probably will cancel the Ipsy bag or Ipsy subscription box, just because if it's 4 products and then a bag, I don't really need more of these bags. I'd rather just get my box and then just throw away the box. So the pros with the Ipsy bag is that it's the same, $10. You do get a cute little bag if you're into that. However, it did not come with a list of the items you're getting and what they cost full size and what they actually do. So that's really nice that Birchbox included that. So in my opinion, I am going to keep getting the Birchbox and not the Ipsy bag, just because you do get 5 products, you get the list of the products and the full size prices, and you actually get it in a box and not a bag. So that's my opinion. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you would like more of these, me comparing brands and other brands or subscription boxes and other subscription boxes, tell me in the comments down below.